This is a great powerful remedy against the cough and cold, and I've heard doctors prescribing pineapple to patients who undergo surgery to decrease swelling and bruising. It definitely has a medicinal effect. No wonder it looks like it's wearing a crown. Fresh pineapple juice is said to be 500% more effective at helping you stop coughing than cough syrup. You can try it and see it for yourself. It contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory characteristics, can combat infections, and eradicate bacteria. You can take pineapple juice by itself, or if you like, you could try this recipe, where I add some fresh ginger, turmeric root, and some good old lemon juice.